YouTube, what's going on? GR Scratcher is back again with another medium-sized session, small to medium, I would say. We're going to be doing two twos and a three today. We got tickets that we don't do too oftenly. We went to another store trying to find some different tickets. We're getting kind of sick and tired of the cat scratch ticket. Wasn't turning out wins for us. And we went to the store a bit out of our way, and this is one of the few stores that you can actually choose the number of the ticket you want, because he's got them all laid out in a plexiglass sleeve on the counter, and he's got them all broken up, and you can just choose any ticket you want, which is great, because that way I think you can be a bit luckier than that. Scratching with us today is Parrot, the Lovebird. Let's give him a little tummy rub there. Tummy rub for Paris. He's a good little guy. That's right. He's a little misbehaving right now, but he's pretty good. He likes little rubs. Yeah. You got it. There you go, buddy. All right, get back up there. Sits on my shoulder. When he's a good guy, he usually sits on my shoulder. All right. So we'll do the newer ticket first. This is a newer ticket. This is the winnings times 5 ticket. Matching number game. Besides that, you can get a 3x and a 5x. Odds on this ticket are 1 in 4.46, which is okay for a €2 ticket. And the prize is up to 100,000, you can see there. So we're just basically looking for numbers. Today we'll be looking for a 27 on ticket 27. You think that could meet something? We'll see. And a 9. Let's see, hopefully we get some wins because we've been strapped for cash lately. 15. 11. 24 is no good. 29 is no good. Let's just see what was under these. The 5 was there. 14 was for 100,000. 23. No, thought that was a 7, but it's a 1. That would have been nice. And the last number, Hail Mary, is a loser. No good, guys. Next ticket. This is just like a hit 100 ticket. It's loaded with €100 winners. Gotta find this 100 to get the €100. Otherwise, we need 3 same numbers in the same column or row, whatever. So we're looking for 3 same numbers. So 10. 26, 10, no good. That was for 100. 24, 12, 13, 18, lucky number, 18, 6, of course not, 20,000. 25, 25. Where's the other number, guys? What the hell? Why the hell is the other number so far out? That's fucked up. 6, 27, 8, 20, 14, 20, 22, 7, 15. Look how far out these numbers are. This is making me wonder if I should have went and got the other ticket. 29, 29, 27 to fuck us all. Well, 0 for 2. It's all up to this guy here. Just like the other ticket, guys. This time, 3 matches, 3 same numbers this way. And we're looking for that 200 for a 200 instant win. Get 200 in a circle. No odds on these tickets as they're older tickets. They're about 1 in 4. So we'll be looking for 1, 1, 2. Isn't that great, guys? 12, 24, 4, 21, 23, 2, 19, 7, 9, 6, 29, 11, 26, 26, 3, 19, 17, 13, 28, 29, 23, 5, 5, I think there might be another 5, Nope. 9 for 200. Just want to see something here. Got an end there. Don't know what that means. 10, 24, 10. Would have been for 15. 15, 3, 12 for 50. The last 200. Right at the end there, 200. You think this could be our lucky day? Let's find out. 3. Actually, it's a 13. An 8. And an 11. Nope. 0 for 3, guys. This one really screwed the pooch. No luck today. No luck lately. Subscribe, guys. Hit the button there. Do us a favor. We're trying to get subscribers up to our channel. And we'll be back hopefully with a win next session. Thanks, guys. Peace.